Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you change your Gmail account password. So to do that, just go to your Gmail, click the top right your profile icon. Now just click on manage your Google account. Now you need to just scroll here and click on security. Again just scroll here and click on password. You need to know your old password if you want to change your password. So just input your old password here. After giving your password, click on next. Here you can see new password option. You need to just give your new password here, and under here you need to retype your new password to confirm it. And after filling these two boxes, click on change password. And after doing it, your password will be changed. So guys, that's how you can change password on Gmail account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.